honour the transition for what it is. It takes time to unplug from the matrix. It takes time and energy to reconnect with the land and to rewrite your relationship with the land base. It also takes time for the land to transition. The chances are you are going to be buying land that has been depleted by overgrazing or mainstream agriculture, and it's going to take time to recreate the Garden of Eden. It does just take, I don't know what, 5 to 10 years to establish vegetable gardens, orchards, coppices, that kind of thing. So go easy on yourself. Plan your transition carefully and enjoy the process. It's a process. Enjoy it. Don't rush it. Better to take it slow and steady wins the race.